Okay, today we're going to be making a very refreshing smoothie with not a lot of added sugar. And this is my post-workout drink where I have a really intense workout and I want to come back and replenish myself. This is what I use. It's got some fresh fruit, it's got some hemp seeds, it's fantastic. And we're going to change your buds with the smoothie. So this is not one of those smoothies that has added sugar or honey. It's got natural sugars in it from the fruit. Make your smoothies at home. Don't go to Smoothie King. You'll be able to control the ingredients, get it less sugar, healthier smoothie, and you'll feel better about it afterwards anyway. We are going to start with a frozen banana. I love the frozen banana because it blends up really nicely and makes it creamy. If you're looking for a real low sugar version or you're a diabetic, just leave the banana out and you can use a little extra frozen fruit instead. Okay, we've got about a cup of mixed fresh berries. All right, this is a tangerine, just about a half of a tangerine. You can use an orange or any citrus. Again, if you want to go low sugar, you could just use more berries instead of any orange. And then I've got hemp seeds here. This is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, which gives this added protein and a little bit of fat for perfect post-workout replenisher. And then we've got some milk. I'm using almond milk because that's what I like. If you want to use a little bit of Greek yogurt, that would be delicious as well. Don't add too much in at one time, maybe about a half to 3/4 of a cup, and then we can add more later. And then our ice, a little bit of ice. So we got about a cup of ice here, but again, we're only going to add about a half a cup at a time. All right, so this is a smoothie. This is really a smoothie for two unless you've really done a crazy intense workout. It's got the berries in there. It's got the hemp seeds. It's got a little non-dairy milk. Perfect. Perfect post-workout drink. This is the way to do your smoothies, and this is especially a post-workout smoothie because I'm not a big fan of smoothies as like a meal replacement, but as a post-workout replenisher, it's really a great thing. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching The Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.